Hey, boy. You say you one guard, no? See where guard is. Guard. What for trotro on your walk to your back seat? Boy, this is where you are sitting. You see that I have catch you. Hey, boy. See what kind of number? And that's how much you walk room. Get me no. See what get out from the car. Get out. If me, I say everyone you only want to take two. Why? Boy. If me, I say everyone one. Boy, why go? Hey, this car. Stop. Hey, government car, stop for me. Hey, traffic has catch me in the place. Hey, my motor go. Where am I born? Motor go. Hey, boy. Ladies and gentlemen, boy has run away, but boy will come back. Okay.
Oh God, me Jah, from my friends and foes. So God, me Jah, whatever in them plan I can do. But over patame manya ho. But over patame manya gbere ho. But over patame manya mauwe ya khorami. Yo, big up this order them in Faganda. Okay, I'm going to you see me?
So this is Code Make It TV. It was all fun today when Shatta Wale spotted a tractor in town with a picture of Stonebwoy at the back of it. Hey, but see, Shatta, you can always expect the comic aspect of him. He decided to make a scene out of it by jabbing Stonebwoy that you are one guy, but look at where you are right now. You are in a tight corner. I am driving in my four-wheel drive, and you are at the back of a tractor, and it was all fun. That is the beauty of the game. I've been telling you that what they've been doing on the highway, if you don't understand the dynamics and you want to add emotions to it, you see, you will end up exposing your ignorance. So as you can see, Shatta and Stone, they are now like one blood. They are one family. And some of these things makes the highway very interesting for all of us. And as you can see in the second video, Stonebwoy is pouring out his emotions in the Ewe song that he's singing. Stone is really soaked into the song. And you know, you can see the swag as well. Stonebwoy showing the expensive life. Just check the teeth grills out. Stone is telling you that, look, when it comes to money, God has been very wonderful. We've really made money and we understand the street code. So you see, some of these things should let you, it should rather boost your confidence level that, look, everything is possible. And I think that is the lifestyle these celebrities, Shatta Wale, Stonebwoy especially, are living out there. So don't let us add any personal feelings to it. No, it is just for the game. This Code Make It TV, on the highway to present the news the way I encountered it. Thank you.